In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an AC condenser on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. Before starting this job, bring your vehicle to a shop and have them evacuate the AC system. Once this job is completed, you'll have to bring it back to the shop and have them charge the system. There's going to be 13 clips in this top trim piece. Go ahead and remove them all. We're going to lift the trim piece up and remove it from the vehicle. Remove the clips for the grill. There will be 2 of them on each side. One right here, the other one right here. Once we do that, the grill can pull forward slightly. There's going to be 5 clips located in about that location on the bottom side of the grill. Reaching down inside of the grill, we're going to go after these clips using a pair of clip pliers. Go down the line and remove all the clips. With all the clips removed, remove the grill. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the brackets off of the AC condenser. Remove the brackets. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 2 bolts out of the lines going to the condenser. Remove the bolts. We're going to remove the lines from the condenser. I'm going to pull them straight out, and a little wiggle sometimes will help. The lines off, remove the condenser. We're going to install the new radiator. I'm going to drop it down into place. There's 2 grommets on the bottom of the condenser that'll fit into 2 recessed holes in the bottom support. Once it's locked in, you won't be able to wiggle it back and forth. It'll be nice and solid. Install the bolts for the top bracket. Snug the bolts down. Remove the 2 rubber plugs out of the condenser. Take a look at the O-rings on the lines. If there's any cuts, tears, anything that'll make the sealing surface not well, it's a good idea to replace the O-rings. To do this, take a little pick, slide it under the O-ring and pop it off of the line, and then install the new one. Since our O-rings are in good condition, we won't be replacing them. However, we will put a little bit of AC oil around it before we install it into the condenser. Put a little bit of oil on your finger and then rub it around the O-ring, and then install the line nice and straight onto the condenser. Get the bolt started. And snug it down. And we'll do the same thing on the bottom line. Install the lower line. Get the bolt started. And snug it down. Torque the condenser line bolts to 7.2 foot-pounds. Install the grill onto the car. With our grill in place, we're going to grab our clips, go inside, behind the grill, and onto the bottom. And there's going to be 5 spots for the clips. Install the 5 clips. Install the clips on either side of the top of the grill. Install the top cowl. And then go through and install the clips for the cowl. We don't have all the clips for this cowl. There should be 13 of them in total.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.